Na-stress na ako, guys. I don't wanna clean this unit anymore. It's so filthy. Oh, I don't know where to start. This place is bad. God, look, yung mga tao dito, ang daming dishes, oh. Oh, we're gonna charge him double today because this is a very deep clean. Oh, na-stress ako. Sobra. Mama. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlogs. So we're here today at work and we just got here one of the Airbnb unit that we clean, and once we get here the place is a mess. It's a lot of trash all over the place, guys. So anyway, guys, share ko lang sa inyo here the Airbnb units in Los Angeles. Did you see the
Huh?
Did you see the I'm blocking.
Oh, what?
The rack is full of stuff. Full of food.
Yep.
A lot of vegetables. What's here? What's in here? Ice? I don't know. Alright, guys, anyway, these people here, the Airbnb people, left a lot of junk food. Food in the rack. Look at this. Juice, milk. They've been stay here for months. And we have frozen peas. So, iniwan na lahat yung mga pagkain nila sa ref. So, lahat ito itatapon natin. Everything stretched. We have muffins, bagels. So, lahat ito basura. Basura lahat yan. Or eggs. How many pieces of eggs? My. So, yeah, that's it, guys. There's some eggs here. 2 eggs left. And looks in the kitchen. Oh, look at oven so dirty. Lots a lot of burns. See here. We'll be here. Oh, this is deep clean. Check everything here. Man, look at this. It's filthy. How long have you been staying in here? Look at the sink. Full of junk. Oh my goodness. There's no disposal in here. It's gonna be deep clean today, guys. This is insane. Clogging. Oh, this smells so bad. So they leave a lot of trash here, so we're gonna throw all the garbage here left behind. And Christmas lights here. The light's still okay. I'm gonna keep it.
I'm the ornaments.
Yeah, lights here.
Want to get a box or a bag for this? And the lights?
Okay. Oh, here. Because the light's still okay, guys. So we're gonna save the light, the Christmas lights. I'll just put in the trash bag. Just put in the sala, the couch. I'll get the trash bag. So here's the hanging out area. Just 1 bedroom. So it's gonna be a while before we finish everything. Here is a deep clean today, guys. And see, I'm gonna look around first. And this is the closet here. Let's see if they have extra. Oh, they use all the linens in here. The towels. It's all dirty. See, tinatago lang nila yung mga nagamit nilang linens. Ay, nako, these people. And here's the bathroom. Oh, daming soap scum in the bathroom. So there's a lot of scrubbing to do here today, guys. Shampoo, mga gamit nila, yan. Ay, nako. Ayan. So mamaya, guys, ulit, makita-kita tayo mamaya. Madami naming linisin today. So mamaya ulit, guys. Yeah, may naiwan ano guys, magic choice flour here. There's more food here in the pantry. My tomato potatoes, some onions. Oh, may onions. Ayan. Ayan, some onions sa bahay. Ayan, may onions nakalagay dito. Grocery bags. Pasta. Ayan. Lots of seasoning. Seasoning is for here, right, love?
Yeah.
Oh, seasoning is for here, but there's some tomato sauce in the can. Nay, naku, grabe. May meron pang ano. Ito bukas na. Tap na natin. Trash. Yeah. Broken na?
No, it's you put it over the tree.
Never ba throw eh. Tapon na lang namin yung ano lights, Christmas lights. We can't use it anymore. Man, there's a lot of food here. So people will stay here for a long time. The drawer. So there's a lot of cleaning to do here, guys. So mamaya ulit. This is crazy, guys. Look at their garbage. See, look. We're in the elevator now. They're trying all this garbage na iniwan ng mga nag-stay dito sa Airbnb. Okay, nandito na kami sa elevator. This is grabe. Elevator. Punta kami ng garahe. May tatapon namin yung mga boxes na iniwan nila. It's gonna be crazy today. It's like iron or something. Look at that. So we're in the garage. Do you know where the garage is?
We're in the garage.
Oh, we're in the garage. The dumpster? It's our first time coming this on the lobby. I mean the parking area. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung garbage for the boxes. Alright guys, maya ulit. Hirap mag-vlog. Ayan. Hinanap namin yung ano dumpster. We couldn't find it. Alright guys, this is the first floor. We found the garbage area. So we're going back upstairs. It's crazy. People live like homeless or something.
Couldn't imagine we having to do this tomorrow. You have a heart attack.
Yes, the guest check out yesterday. We're supposed to clean the unit tomorrow, Friday, but they check out yesterday, so we have to clean it today. And yep, nag-iwan sila ng maraming basura, and we have to throw all their garbage, and we have to do deep clean today. So nakakaloka yung mga taong nag-stay dito, guys. So much trash left behind. So we're back. We're back in the units, so we're gonna start cleaning. It's funny, guys. It's not funny. We got lost. We went to a different building and we can't open the gate, or we can open the door. So we have to turn around right outside. Over there. We try to use the key to a different room, guys.
Lucky nobody was home.
we got lost in this building.
And you left the trash
Oh.
out.
And there's a trash. That's the unit for the trash outside.
Hello.
This is a different building. Now we're back. We're so stressed out. There's
More
a more
tree?
more tree that we need to.
Is there any more boxes that I need to
I'm not
take
going
down?
down.
No,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it.
There's more trash here, guys.
But we can throw in the chute, right?
So yeah, throw in the chute. So funny, guys. That there's no one's home in the next room, next building, because I have the same room, 318, and we opened the wrong door. Yeah, they use all the linens. That's all dirty. That's fine. It's gonna be a long day for us to clean this place. So filthy. Okay, stress.
No worries, no worries. We'll be done quick.
No. All right, guys. I'm gonna start cleaning. 5 hours. Na-stress na ako, guys. I don't wanna clean this unit anymore. It's so filthy. Oh. I don't know where to start. This place is bad. Look, ang mga tao dito. Ang daming dishes, oh. Oh, we're gonna charge him double today because this is a very deep clean. Na-stress ako. Sobra. Mamaya guys ulit, mag-start na ako maglinis dito dahil it's gonna be took us 5 hours to clean this place. Oh, I found more chocolate. Oh, some races. Some candy is open. True, the one is already open. People live here for months and they put a lot of junk food. Food, you have popcorn. More popcorn. Cereals. So everything here that is empty, we're gonna throw in the trash. Trash, trash, trash. Snack bar. Sealed. So pwede pa siyang i-ano. Oh, matigas na. Basura. Basura, basura lahat. Basura lahat. Ay, naku guys. Alright guys, hindi na ako mag-vlog while I'm cleaning this place because it's gonna be a long time. So I'm just gonna, I see you guys after we done everything here. Ay, buhay.
A few moments later.
Throwing all the trash na iniwan ng mga tao dito. Some Emily's open. This one. It's not. So okay, sealed, so we can keep that one. Here. Yeah, flour, everything is trash. Get some popcorn here. Popcorn's okay, you can still keep this. It's sealed. And okay pa naman siya, hindi pa siya sira. Sayang naman kung itapon. What's this? Chocolate open. So yung mga bukas na mga pagkain na naiwan nila dito, we throwing everything away. Oh, but brand new pa. Oh, brand new na pasta. We can keep that. We have a grocery bag, so we're gonna put in there. And we can throw this away, the potatoes. I don't need it. Some onions. We can keep some onions. Okay pa naman siya. Oops. They really cook a lot here. And you know what, guys? Yung sink, it's clogging. Basura. Yeah, basura, basura. Like we can. Crackers, trash. So we're cleaning the pantry. Now we're cleaning the ref. Oh, you know. There's a lot of trash. Let's clean the ref. Yung pagkain sa loob ng ref. So yung iba na pwede pang pakinabangan, ilagay natin dito sa grocery bag para madalhin natin. Ito onions, pwede pa to. Para na tong dumpster diving sa Airbnd. Nakakaluka guys. Ayan. Ayan, lagay natin dito yung pwede pang pakinabangan. Yung iniwan nila dito. Chocolate laces. It's still in the box. Pwede pa siyang i-snack, oh. Marami pa yan. Lagay natin dito. Well, I'm going dumpster diving in the ref.
It is like a dumpster in there.
Yeah. Yeah. So what's in the ref? Everything is basura, garbage. Dito basura.
What's wrong with these people, man?
I know. Look at people. What's this? Garlic squid. Pag open na, basura.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this one is not open. Wanna keep it?
It'll be melted by the time we get home.
Just for breakfast.
Yeah, it'll be melted by the time we get home.
Oh, basura here. I put it in there. Basura. Look what happened. The sink is clogging. There's a lot of junk in there.
Okay.
Basura.
This is for us to keep?
Yeah. So lahat ito guys, basura sa ref. Kaloka.
Christmas ornaments?
Where? Oh, yeah.
Table.
Oh, a lot of junk. Look at this, guys. See? Oh. Tapo na yung pa. Crazy. Ah, hindi pa tapos, guys. Ayan. More trash. So, mamaya, guys, tapusin ko lang to lahat. I'm gonna empty the food in the fridge. So, mamaya ulit, guys. Oops!
3 hours later.
Hi, guys. Welcome back. Man, it took us 3 hours and a half to clean this Airbnb unit. We're finally done, guys. Everything. So, I'm gonna tour you once again. This place right here. So, this is the bathroom. It's ready to go. It's done. It was a long day. And here's the bedroom again. So every time we're done cleaning the place, we took a picture and send to the team, the Airbnb team. This is the bedroom. Now I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. So let's turn off the light here. Oops, let's see. One more, there we go. And the kitchen, clean, no more trash laying around. Refs clean. Oh, we'll get the green peas frozen. So that's done, guys. Remember earlier I showed you my video, everything is a mess. There you go, clean. It's ready for the next guest. So uwi na kami, guys, living room. So we're done. We're done for today. It was a long day. Alright, guys, bye. Uwi na kami. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe now.
It's free. It doesn't cost you anything.
Yeah, it's free to subscribe, guys. So
Ah,
subscribe now.
Kitchen light.
Oh, I forgot to turn on the kitchen lights. So thank you guys again for watching. Uwi na kami dahil pagod na. Bye!